And after that, choose your operating system and download. Okay, after installing the software, you will see like this interface and start first to server Apache and MySQL. Now open your browser again. After that, search WordPress, only WordPress, and then open the second link and download the file. After a few movements later, download will complete it. Okay, now copy this folder and then go to C drive and open them folder, then htdocs. After that, just paste the folder here and open this WordPress folder, and you have to copy all file. Okay, just copy the files and then back. After that, create a new folder and then rename it as which website you want. I want to name it my first website, so you can name this and paste the file here. Alright, now go to your browser and search localhost localhost and then press phpMyAdmin. After that, press new and copy the folder name and paste it database name and create. After that, your work is finished here, and and type again localhost my website and select a language and let's go. And now you need to put your database name, username, password, and the username is root, it is default, and leave the password field empty and submit and run the installation and put a site name like my first website, and you have to put username admin and as password is also admin, and you can put any website, any email name, and then go to your our work is finished, website is ready. So after we log in our website, we will see a good looking website. So just wait a minute and log in. Now visit your website and you will see a beautiful website here. Open new tab and here is your website. So after the next video I will show you a good website.